In this video, I'm going to briefly explain how you can use ClickUp AI. Once you have logged into your ClickUp account, then you will be able to see AI right here next to the search bar. If we select it, this will open up a new page like so, from which we can choose some of these options, and I'm going to show you how we can add our own prompts here. So for example, it will tell us that we can ask, write, or search for anything. So for example, let's begin typing out generate. If you type out generate, you will see some different options here. So we can use this to generate template, generate frequently asked questions schema, and generate user story. So basically, if we click on more here, you will be able to see some more options as well. Now, if you simply scroll down here from the main page without typing anything, you will be able to see some popular ideas here for SEO projects and all of these different departments which you can select and go through. So for example, HR, and here it will show us some different popular options for this specific category here, as well as we can click on view more to see even more options for this department. Now, another thing that we can do here, generate, we can also write create, and you will begin seeing all of these options here, from which we will simply choose one as an example here. So I'm going to click on it, and it will show us here the feature, additional information, tone of voice, and the product itself here. And if we type all of this out, then we will be able to generate, and it is going to locate or generate script or information for us for the TSA feature that I've just scribbled here. So I hope this makes sense. I hope this was informative. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.